Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make chicken cutlet. You can even enjoy this as an evening snack. Stuff them in Goan bread and give it to your kids. And this will keep them full for the whole day. So I've taken 750 grams of boneless chicken with the help of a blender jar. Just blend it and keep it on the side. So for other ingredients, I've taken 3 medium-sized onion, peel them, wash them and chop them finely. These are my kids' favorite. They just enjoy it with a little bit of ketchup. So even you all try the recipe and let me know how you all liked it. Once you chop the onion, leave it on the side. Take one tomato, medium size, cut in half, deseed, remove all the seeds and chop finely. Check how it is and cut the other half as well. Now remember, as we have taken 750 grams of chicken mince, I have taken 3 green chilli. This will give a mild spiciness. Now as per your taste, if you want it more spicy, you can add more green chilies to this. Now keep a vessel on the flame, keep on medium, add oil and add onion and saute till it become golden brown in color. Once onion is golden brown in color, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it for a while. Keep the flame on medium. Now remember, saute it well till the raw smell goes. Now add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and saute it for a while. Now saute all the ingredients well. Add tomato, green chili and saute for a while for at least 2 minutes on medium flame. Now once that is done, add mince and saute. Add salt. Now mix well. Keep the flame on medium itself. Now once mince is saute, add 2 medium sized potatoes, small dice. Add half a cup of water and mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix. Now cover it with the lid and let it cook till it become dry. Now take handful of cilantro and chop them finely. Meanwhile, open the lid and check if the potatoes are cooked and the water should dissolve completely. It should dry it up completely and cook till the potatoes are well done. Now guys, check this out. The potatoes are well cooked and also the water is completely dried out. Check this out. Now add cilantro and mix. Turn off the flame and mash all the potatoes. Now once you mash, add 3 tablespoons of semolina and 1 beaten egg, whole egg. Mix all the ingredients together. Now this semolina will keep the mixture a little bit tight. Now you have to keep this at least for 1 hour in the fridge. Now after 1 hour, remove the mixture from the fridge and shape them. You have to make a tight ball and then give a cutlet shape. Shape you can give as per your choice, but just make sure they are tight and firm. Guys, check this out. This is how it should be. Now for coating, dip it in a beaten egg and dust it in semolina. Check this out. This is how you have to make. Make how much you want and remaining mixture you can keep it in the fridge as well. Keep the pan ready in order to fry them. Keep the oil little bit more in order to shallow fry them. Guys, check this out how lovely they look. Once they are ready, flip it over and make golden brown on both the side. This is how it should be. Guys, check this out. This is the final product. These are ready now, ready to be served. Check how lovely they are and crispy from the outside. These are delicious chicken cutlet. Try this recipe and you all will enjoy this. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and God bless you all.